Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, sir. First of all, I would like to introduce myself to all you here. I'm Tia Mariati. My student ID 1810426467. I'm from accounting class G. I take accounting English from Mr. Adi Mursalin. In this opportunity, I would like to answer the question given by my speaker, Mr. Adi Mursalin. The question consists of three parts, namely part A, which is related to the accounting theory, and its part B, which is related to video of accounting, and part C, which is related to accounting article. Well, I start to answer the question in part A. 1. What is accounting? What the definition of accounting to 5 experts? Accounting can be defined as the process of recording, measuring, reporting, and analyzing financial information relating to the company, even of an organization of the interested for making decisions. Accounting is considered an art. Accounting is considered an art because it requires the use of skill and creative judgment. One has to be trained in the discipline to be able to perform accounting function well. Accounting involves introduction, recording, certain go writing down or keeping recording of business transaction, classifying, invoice, grouping similar items that have been recording, considered with transaction, and even having financial character. For example, meaning identification employed in qualitative information with no financial character. Salaries. Business transactions are expressed in the term of money. They are assigned when processed in an accounting system. Interpreting the result is part of the phase of accounting. Information is useful if they cannot be interpreted and understood. 2. What is accounting cycle? And explain in detail the cycle or the stage of accounting cycle. Accounting cycle is the holistic process of recording and processing all financial transactions of a company, from when the transaction occurs to its preparation on the financial statement. The accounting cycle is often described a process that includes the following steps: posting the journalist amount to the accounting general and subsidiary ledger, referring and purpose, referring trial balance, preparing a worksheet, determining and recording adjust entries. 3. Mention the accounting equation and explain the component of accounting equation. Written as asset, actual liabilities plus owner equity, show the relationship between the three major types of account found in the accounting world. When used correctly, it is reliably tool in maintaining balanced company account. 4. What is account and why are the as of account in accounting equation? Account is a recording in the general ledger that is used to store transactions. The supplier has also entered the balance in this current asset account, entitled account, and the customer will increase the balance in the current liability account payable. 5. What is the purpose of accounting? Accounting is to accumulate and report of financial information about the performance, financial position, and cash flow of the business. This information is used to reach decisions about how to manage the business or invest or lend money to it. C. What are assets, liabilities, and owner equity? Owner equity, stockholder equity, is the amount left over after liability are deducted from asset. Liability, owner equity. For example, when a company borrows money from a bank, the company asset will increase and its liability by the same amount. 7. What is business transaction? A business transaction is an activity or event that can be measured in terms of money and which affects the financial function or operation of the business story. A. What are revenue, expense, and withdrawals? For example, revenue, expense, and owner equity. Withdrawals account expense describe the owner capital at purchasing act. Is example withdrawals account the amount of money or asset the owner takes or the business. 9. Explain the step for analyzing the business transaction. The step in processing business transaction are analyzing and recording process such as record, document, the account and its analysis, and analyzing and processing transactions such as general ledger. Double entry, accounting, journaling, and posting and illustration. 10. Mention 6 business transactions happening in company and their business transaction analysis. Carry out recording of the company transaction. Analyzing the effect of business transaction of asset a company equity. Effect of buyer transaction on equipment and expenditure on the basic equation of accounting. February report for decision making. The effect of using equipment on the basic of accounting. The effect of using equipment on the basic of accounting. The effect of sales of service on the basic accounting equation of the company served is customer. 12. Cecil Johnson, attorney at law, is a proprietorship owned and operated by Cecil Johnson on July 1, 2007. Cecil Johnson, attorney at law, has the following asset, liability: cash 1,000, account receivable 3,200, supplies 850, land 10,000, account payable 1,530 of asset. Liabilities: actual stockholder equity $1,550, 1,000. Actual capital stock and earned retained earning $13,120. Actual $1,500. Retained earning $3,120. Retained earning. Asset decrease liabilities. Asset actual liability decrease stockholder equity. Cash increase $1,000. Account receivable increase $3,200. Supplies increase $850. Land $10,000. Account payable increase $1,530. Capital stock increase $10,000. Retained earning $1,520. Plus the $1,928. A. Received cash from client for service 3,928. Cash increase 3,928 equals 4,928. B. Paid creditor on account 1,055. Cash decrease 1,055. Liabilities increase 1,055 equals 475. C. Received cash from Cecil Jameson and additional investment 3,700 equals cash increase 3,700 equals 7,573. Capital stock increase 3,700 and equals 3,700. D. Paid office rent of the month 1,200. Cash increase 1,200 equals 6,373. A. Generate claim for legal service on account 2025. Account receivable increase 2025 equals 5,225. Best earned increase 2025 equals 5,953. F. Purpose office supplies on account 245. Supplies increase 245 equals 1,095. Account payable increase 245 equals 740. Z. Received cash from client on account 3,000 receivable. Cash increase 3,000 equals 9,373. Account receivable increase 3,000 equals 2,225. H. Received invoice for paralegal service from legal aid for Julie to be paid on August 10. 1,635. Account payable increase 1,635 equals paralegal expense increase 1,635. I. Paid the following wages expense 850. Answering service 250. In miscellaneous expense 75. Wages expense increase 950. Utilities expense 325. Service expense 250. Miss expense increase 75. Z. Determine that the cost of his supplies on hand was the 980. Supplies expense increase 115. K. Jensen withdrew 1,000 in cash from the business for personal use. Cash increase 1,000 equals 6,873. Dividend increase 1,000. Cecil Jameson, attorney, PC income statement for the month ended July 31, 2007. Best earned expense 5,900. Paralegal expense 1,630. Rent expense $1,200. Wages expense $850. Utility expense $320, and swearing service expense $250. Miscellaneous expense $150. Total expense when $75. Net income $4,400, $1,500. Cecil Johnson, attorney at law, retained earnings statement for the month in July 31, 2007. Retained earnings July 2007. Net income for the month $3,500 less dividend $1,530. Increase in retained earning $1,000. Retained earning $503 $4,023. Cecil Jameson, attorney law, Julie. Asset cash $6,870. Account receivable $2,225. Supplies $900. Land $10,000. Total asset $20,078,000. Liabilities account payable $2,355. Capital stock $13,700. Retained earning $4,023,000. Total stockholder equity $70,723. Total liabilities and stockholder equity $20,070,000. Cecil Jameson, attorney law, statement of cash flow for the month ended July 31, 2007. Cash flow from operating activities. Cash received from customer $6,928. The cash payment for operating expense $3,755. Had cash flow from investing activities $3,173. Cash receivable from issuing capital stock $3,700. Deficits $1,000. Net cash flow from financial activities $2,700. Cash as of July 1, 2007 $1,000. Cash as of July 2007 $873. Part B. In this part, the questions are related to the accounting video. You must answer the question based on the following instruction. A. What is the title video? B. Who is the speaker in the video you watch? C. What does the video tell you? D. Explain the context in detail of the video you watch. E. What are the benefits for you watching the video? Please open the following link. A. What is the title of video? Organization economy event. B. Who is the speaker in the video you watch? Mark Christopher. What does the video tell you? Tell about the need to take notes. The analyze what the impact on the identification business. D. Explain the context in detail of the video you watch. The first star defining a transaction, whatever the need to recording what then we from it depends to recording to measure the data and make it usable for people who are interested in the result. E. What are the benefits for you watching the video? The benefit for me is to need to know the importance of recording data and the importance of cost in business. 2. A. What is the title of the video? Explain the accounting equation. B. Who is the speaker in the video you watch? C. What does the video tell you? To understand equity, must understand the component, namely asset, liability, owner, equity. D. Explain the account in detail of the video you watch. Study of account equation to say that asset and liability. E. What are the benefits for you watching the video? Better understand the feeling of account. 3. A. What is the title of video? Balance sheet. B. What is the speaker in the video you watch? C. What does the video tell you? The purpose of making a balance sheet and part of the balance sheet. D. Explain the content in the detail of video you watch. A balance sheet is a financial document that shows the asset, liability, and owner equity of a company at given point in time. Asset equals liability equals owner equity. E. What are the benefits for you watching the video? I become aware of processes of making balance sheet and what are the part of the balance sheet. 4. A. What is the title of the video? Income statement. B. What is the speaker the video you watch? C. What does the video tell you? Expenditure equals net income when basically profit loss. D. Explain the context in detail for the video you watch. The typical type of expenditure in inventory customer are some types expenditure that are very typical. The last video discussed is the balance sheet that also an official statement. E. What are the benefits for you watching the video? To better understand the income statement and balance sheet. 5. A. What is the title video? Definition. What is accounting? What is speaker in the video you watch? C. What does the video tell you? Accounting to help people make decisions. What kind of accounting decision can help people make the answer to a question in independent they are? The basic type of accounting. 1. Tax accounting. 2. Managerial accounting. 3. Financial accounting. D. Explain the context in detail of the video you watch. The definition that we want to look a little more carefully at the phrase business and a business that can consist a large international business, all business using accounting, and if is going the business professional you need to understand accounting which a business language. E. What are the benefits for you watching the video? The benefit I know the definition of accounting and understand accounting which the language of business. Part C. Open this link contact article of accounting. You directly read the article and answer the equation that follow, and you must video record your reading and answer. 1. Why is accounting a great course to study? Accounting is a great course to study for a number of reasons. Accounting provides you with skill and knowledge that can be applied to a number of industries in fast. So long as their business in the world, accountant will always be needed. 2. What do accountants do? Accountant is elaboration of regarding information on the activities of a company entity into a quarter financial report so that can be utilized my policy making manager and mastering business people and other interpreter policy. 3. Why is accounting a good foundation? Because with an accounting, a business will be easily controlled in and out. My money can be monitored. Financial management can also be analyzed. The most important report accounting that can be change your business because of the extent of the fund that can still be sold. 4. What must you have when you want to study accounting? I have prepared myself mentally and have strong head because one language that not understand or difficult. 5. Is accounting right or wrong for you? Give the reason to your answer. Yes, accounting is right for me because I like accounting and I want to profession in accounting. 6. Are you sure that accounting will help you in the future? Give the reason to your answer. Yes, I'm sure accounting will bring me the future because studying account is not just for keeping a journal in my company, but for me to calculate my daily needs in a household. 7. Why does accounting have a good process of job in the future? Because accounting is very necessary in various job professional at present. The community and government work especially can be said the city list because it is often listed by bank that likes auditor to offers the bank. 8. What is accounting? Accounting is the recording of financial transaction along with storing, relating, summarizing, and presenting the result in various report and analysis. Accounting is also field of study and profession decided to carrying those tasks. 9. What is the title of the video? What is the speaker in the video? Explain what is discussed by speaker in this video. The video title Introduction to Accounting, Journal Ledger, and Trial Balance. The speaker in this web service. The speaker discuss is what is journal and how to pass journal entries, what is ledger and how pass ledger. What is trial balance and how to do trial balance in accounting. 10. What is accounting cycle? An accounting cycle is the collective process of identifying, analyzing, and recording the accounting event of a company. The series of steps begins when a transaction occurs and which includes in the financial statement the accounting record as during the accounting cycle include the general ledger and trial balance. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.